Casey here from the Contractor Builder again. I just wanted to touch on all the different, let's say, rating and review sites or recommendations, that you can go different certifications, BBB, you can get different home builders associations, there's recommendations through HOUSZ now, HOUZZ, there's Home Stars, there is obviously warranty when you get into custom homes, carry-on stuff. Here actually throughout Canada, through CHBA and all the different home associations, there's Renomark as well. What do you trust? What do you go with? What should you be looking for? And it's tough, definitely. I can tell you what we're interested in and what we think makes a lot of sense, and there might be somebody else who believes something different. But I can tell you that I believe in the home builders associations, and I think the home builders associations are a great place to start because they have contractors who work together and that are ultimately working towards making the industry better. So I presently chair the Reno Council at the Greater Ottawa Home Builders Association, or GOBA for short. And there, really, it's a bunch of competitors. I say it in air quotes because to me, they're not really competitors. They're other contractors that are trying to do a good job as well and continually improving themselves. And there's more than enough work for all of us, right? Our competitors are the ones that are really hurting the industry and not warranting their work, and kind of giving the two tail light warranty where they drive away and then you never hear from them again, or they take your deposit and disappear. Those are the guys that we're trying to get. Those are our competitors. And so I believe in that industry because that whole home builder association is working towards making the industry better. As part of that, they have something called Renomark, which I'm actually working a lot on right now in order to up the brand here in Ottawa. I'm personally not a huge fan of BBB, and they might get upset at me for saying this, but that's just, at least in construction. I think there's better associations to help. HOUSZ has done a really good job at doing reviews. Obviously, there's people who can put reviews onto Google as well, and it really depends on where the contractor is asking for reviews. So we ask for our clients to put them on HOUSZ. Maybe we should throw some on Google too. I don't know. Let us know what you think. But at the end of the day, all of the associations aside, I always say you hire who you feel most comfortable with. Not who has the best price, not who has the prettiest pictures. Who do you feel the most comfortable with working on your house? This is always a long-term relationship. Whether it's just a small renovation or a custom home, it's going to be a long-term relationship because hopefully you've hired them to do your bathroom, for example, a smaller renovation project. They do a good job and you're going to bring them back to renovate or repair something else down the road, right? So it's not going to be, just buy the product and then off the shelf and then you move on. There's going to be the design process that you might be working with them. Then there's the construction process, and then there might be some warranty issues down the road, and then maybe you hire them again. So this is a long-term relationship. So hire somebody that you feel comfortable with, that you feel confident that can actually perform the job to what you want to accomplish. We're not the best contractor for everybody. I'm not going to pretend that we are. We work best with specific clients, and a lot of our clients are very detail-oriented, and obviously in what we do, they're going to be more interested in sustainability aspects and healthier products and healthier indoor air quality, those types of things. So we work best with those clients. Somebody who's just wanting to renovate a rental unit as quickly as possible, that's not going to be the best fit, right? Because we're not going to be the cheapest, and that might be what they're looking for, and they want somebody to go in and out quickly. Anyways, point being, there's a contractor right for you. Find the person who's most comfortable, who you are most comfortable with. Don't worry so much about the associations and the accreditations and everything, but if you are going to start somewhere and you're not sure where to start, I think home builder associations in your area are the best place to start.